But that's probably because you ain't getting paid enough. I'm telling you lot right now. I'm an electrician, earn like £300 a day. If they wanted to pay me £1,000 a day to shovel shit, I would work and shovel shit every day for £1,000. I don't give a fuck. I don't go to work to say I'm employed, and I don't go to work for some ego. There's a lot of people with ego out here, a lot of electricians, yeah? You can have an electrician who earns £300 a day, and you could offer to pay that electrician £1,000 a day to be a painter and decorator. And they will say no. Do you know why? Because they're a proud electrician. Yo, you see these individuals, yeah? They don't go to work to earn money like me. They go to work to just be employed. My workplace, they were giving me 4 jobs a day, 5 days a week. I'm thinking now, what? So anyway, I had this crazy JY's idea. Why don't, because I was doing 5 jobs a day before, why don't I just do 5 jobs, 4 days a week? Because instead of doing 4 jobs times 5 days, which is 20, why don't I take Monday off and do 5 jobs, 4 days of the week? It's still 20. I told my manager, I don't come to work to be employed. I come to work to earn money. So if I can do the same amount of jobs in 4 days, I'm going to do it in 4 days instead of 5 days. Why the hell am I going to come in for an extra day when I'd rather sit at home and do nothing than just turn up to work? The hell, don't make no sense.